let me take a moment to explain how the Smart Solar program works from a financial standpoint. Let's say we're going to build you a system that's going to save you we're going to use simple numbers, say $200 a month, right? So the monthly savings is going to be $200 a month. The total system cost, all right, would be, say, $30,000. Like I said, we're using simple numbers here, just for conceptual purposes, all right? Now we have some incentives. We have an incentive from the federal government at this current moment is 30%. So that is $9,000 in the form of a tax credit, all right? New York State has a 25% tax credit that caps at $5,000. So that's going to be $5,000. All right, you with me so far? Great. Now, so that leaves $16,000, which would be the responsibility of you. All right, that's going to be what you're going to be paying after all the incentives. Now, we're going to take this and put it into two different buckets here. We have a 0% loan, which is an 18-month or a 12-month, depending on what's necessary, loan for your tax credits. So we're going to take this 11 right here and put it into this 0% loan. This is the same kind of loan you get from a credit card, whereas you get 0% for a certain amount of time, right? And if you don't pay it by a certain amount of time, the interest goes up. It's the same kind of thing. So now we're going to take this portion right here and we're going to stick it in this bucket, which is your term loan. There are many different term loans. You could have a 10-year, 12-year, 15-year, 20-year. The 15 and the 12 are very popular. Let's look at the 15-year, 2.9 loan. So you got a low interest loan here, 2.9 for 15 years. Okay. Payment on that is about $110. All right. So that puts $90 in your pocket month one. All right. After the 15-year loan term is done, you'll save the entire $200. All right. Now this $200 is now money. All right. As this becomes more and more valuable as the price of electric goes up from the electric company, right? So every year it might go up 1, 2, maybe 3%, you know, steadily. So maybe now for the same power, it may be instead of 200, maybe it's 220, that kind of savings. So that's what you're looking at right here. It's the two-bucket loan portion for the tax credits that are going to be paid off in April when you get your income tax credit money. You would just pay this off and cancel it. Right? The remainder, this $16,000, is $110 a month, 15 years, saving you $90 per month. And that's how it works.